Hey guys, so in today's video is gonna be from Captain Action, and let's unbox it, guys. Alright guys, before we open this action figure, let me just show you the box. So ito nga pala, sabi dito Captain Action, and then that is Dr.evil. And this is the side of the box, and that's the top, and then the bottom. So Dr.evil is a character of Marvel, and yeah, so that's all I know. So this one nga pala, guys, I bought this at Toys R Us. I bought it before they closed, so that was like few years ago, but now Toys R Us are open again, but they partner with Macy's. I think if you watch my video, I made a little video on that one, so you can go Toys R Us. But now it's not exciting as before because they don't have that much, toys. I think most of the toys are like for young kids. There's no more for adults. They don't sell this action figure anymore. If you go to Toys R Us, like this thing. Sorry, Captain Action nga pala was made in 1966. So this was designed, you can switch, yung costume nila. You can switch it to Red Skull, Captain America, Thor, Loki, and their face is interchangeable, so you can change this to any. Meron nga pala akong binili. I bought costume for this one, but I will show that on my next video. But for now, we're gonna talk about Dr.evil. It's on sale. I bought it for $19.99. I think if it's not on sale, it was like $50. So yeah, I got it on sale. So I have two of these. The other one, Captain Action, and then I bought two wardrobe or costume, and I will show that on my next video, guys. Let's open it, guys. I bought this maybe like see the plastic, it's so brittle. I already see it's already broken. I broke it already, guys. So I never opened this, not until now, and I really don't want to open it, but whatever. So that's the price, $19.99. Sabi dito may bonus. Ano ba yung bonus na yun? Tingnan natin. Let's check it out, guys. I really don't know what. Oh, it says here it has a Captain Action comic book. So maybe somewhere here behind the action figure. So let's just put this away for now. So this is the action figure. It's so cool, guys. So you can change the action figure. Yung head niya, pwede mong palitan from Dr.evil to a normal person. So meron siyang two accessories. He have his gun. I don't know if this is laser gun or something, and then meron din siyang necklace with a, I think it's ruby. I don't know. So where's the comic book? I don't see any comic book. Sabi meron daw comic book, but okay. Oh, this is how you remove it. So I don't know where the comic book is, guys. Maybe it's inside this. Let's open this one. Nandito sa likod. Ooh, yep, it's here, guys. OMG. Wow! Amazing. So yung comic book nasa likod ng box, guys. And then there's also, if you want to join the club, but I don't know if this is still active because this is like long time ago. So that's Captain Action. Sorry guys. So this is the comic book. So look, OMG, and it says number 1, Dr.evil. So when you buy this toy, it comes with a comic book. I don't know if all of this comes with a comic book, but maybe only this one, I don't know. So that's the comic book. So let's open it. Okay, let's do that later. So anyways, tingnan muna natin tong action figure, guys. So I mean, let's take him out of his cage. So this is him. So he measures about 11 inches, almost 12, and it comes with the boots right here. You got blue boots. I haven't seen Dr. Evil you know, in action, like TV or cartoon. I haven't seen him because I'm not really a Marvel fan. I don't know, but I bought this because it looks cool. I don't know if I can move his, oh yeah, oh my goodness, look at that. Ganyan ba talaga siya? Tingnan mo, parang I don't know. So it's weird, guys. So he can stand like that. He looks like a zombie, guys. And you can move his arm, but I don't know, look at this, so weird. Why his arm is like that? Oops. So maybe that's the way it is. So that is him. And then let's check out this gun. So oops. So we can put this here. Okay, there. It's holding a gun right now. And then hold on, guys. Alright guys, so I removed his necklace. Is this a necklace? It is a necklace. Maybe this necklace have a superpower. So you can put his necklace right like that. And so he's holding a gun. So he got 2 accessories, the necklace and then his laser gun, I think. And then guess what, guys, you cannot remove his head, but you can put this like a mask, you know, on his face, so he's gonna look normal. But pag tinanggal mo siya, he's gonna look like this, which is Dr. Evil. So let me put his mask, his human mask. So that's how he look like if he's not Dr. Evil. He looks like a normal toy action figure toy. And so that's how he look like. So yeah, so I never seen cartoon, or maybe I don't know if he have a movie. So that's how he look like when he's a normal person. And then when you remove his human mask, he's gonna look like that. So that is Dr. Evil. So I don't know what he do, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa niya sa Marvel. Ito siguro meron siyang agimat dito sa ano, yung necklace niya. It looks like a ruby, guys. And this is obviously his gun. So baka pag binaril ka niya magiging ano ka, maybe I don't know, some kind of animal. So this is his other face. It's kind of like Dr. like Hyde and Jekyll or something. So that's how he looked like without this one. So this is Dr. Evil. So hindi mo siya pwedeng tanggalin yung ulo niya. You cannot remove his head, but you can just put this human face, you know, sa mukha niya like that. So next time i-unbox natin yung isa. I have one more action figure from Captain Action, guys, the real Captain Action. And then I bought two costume. So I think that's how they design it, Captain Action. So you can just buy like yung this one, the action figure itself, and then you can dress them up as shown here behind the box. This one I can remove his outfit, and you can buy either Thor, Loki, Captain America, and Red Skull. So yeah, this is cool. So you can transform him into favorite Marvel characters, guys. So yeah, it says here he's a super intelligent alien with a very evil plan for human domination, disguised as a benign Dr. Tracy. Okay, so if he's not Captain Evil, he is Dr. Tracy. So he is an alien, guys. Comic book, guys. See, I've never opened this yet. Only like right now. Ngayon ko lang siya binuksan, guys. So yan. And it says here number 1. Meron na kaya itong value? You think, guys, this comic book has a value already? Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe a couple of dollars. So that is Dr. Evil. Yan siya pag normal, you know, this comic book before. Baka na ano lang siya, maybe na possess, and then he became an alien or something. So that's what happened to him. Oh my god, look at that, guys. I don't know who that is. And then his brain like come out. Oh, maybe he's already an alien or whatever. So I don't know. Yep. So next time we're gonna unbox Captain Action itself. So yep. So that will be my unboxing for you guys today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. And I don't know if it's still available, but it looks like it's still available online. Maybe eBay or maybe Amazon. You can check it out, guys. But this one I bought it at Toys R Us before they closed, like a few years ago. I forgot how long ago. So anyways, that is Dr. Evil, but with his human face, he called Dr. Tracy, and then without, he is Dr. Evil. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching and subscribing. So hopefully you enjoyed this, guys. So let me put his human face on his hand like that. Alright guys, bye. I leave you alone. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good day.